Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing great. I'm also fine. So today I would like to talk about one of my favorite places. My favorite place is Sheikh Russell Mini Football Stadium. It is very close to my house. To be more specific, actually it's located next to Alamgir Hussain City in Kishoreganj. I have been visiting this place since my childhood. So I have many beautiful memories associated with it. I often go there. Sometimes I go there to play football. Sometimes I go there to hang out with my friends. Not only me, but people of all ages and professions also come there. Some people play sports, some go for a walk, and others simply come to enjoy the beautiful environment. I really like this place because it has a peaceful, open, and pleasant atmosphere. The green trees around the stadium make it ever more beautiful. I don't think there is another place in my cities with such an open and beautiful environment. Whenever I go there, I feel very relaxed and comfortable. Especially, I forget my all negative thoughts. That's why I enjoy spending my time there. That's why it's my favorite place. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. See you in the next.